Welcome to the lecture series of Consumer Electronics. Today we are going to see about moving coil microphone. Moving coil microphone is a type of a microphone. Before moving to the session, we all must know what is meant by microphone or what is microphone. Microphone is a piece of electrical equipment that is used for making sounds louder or for recording them. Okay, now moving coil microphone is one of the type of the microphone. Before moving to the session, we can see what are the agenda that are for this moving coil microphone. We can see the basics of moving coil microphone, the structure of moving coil microphone, and what are the elements that are present in moving coil microphone, the working principle of moving coil microphone, the directivity of moving coil microphone, its characteristics, its features, and the application of the moving coil microphone. Let us begin the session. First of all, we can see some of the basic principle of moving coil microphone. The other name of moving coil microphone is dynamic microphone, which uses the principle of electromagnetic induction. Before that, we must know what is meant by electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction is a process in which a conductor is put in particular position and the magnetic field keeps varying, or the magnetic field is stationary and the conductor is moving. This produces a voltage or EMF across the electrical conductor. Now we can get a clear-cut idea of electromagnetic induction and how the EMF is generated. The sound pressure moves the coil placed in the magnetic field, and due to the changes in flux, the EMF is produced, that is, electromagnetic field is produced. This forms the output of the microphone. Then, here we are using the permanent magnet, thus, it will produce the uniform magnetic field due to the inductive effect of the microphone. Then we can see what are the elements that are present in the dynamic microphone. First element is the permanent magnet. This permanent magnet will produce the uniform magnetic field. We can see in this diagram that the permanent magnet keeps inverted E position. That is, you may see clearly. So, this permanent magnet will produce the uniform magnetic field. Then we can see what is meant by diaphragm. Diaphragm is a thin circular sheet of a material which is non-magnetic in nature and is of very light in weight, and it can be moved slightly for extra rigidity, and this diaphragm has been fixed with the help of springs. You can see clearly in this diagram. The springs are connected together the diaphragm. Okay. Now we can see the mass of the diaphragm and the coil assembly will provide the inductive effect. As I have already told, due to the permanent magnet, this inductive effect has been produced. The protective cover is a metal grill in order to save delicate diaphragm. The protective cover is also used to secure the diaphragm and the coil assembly being mishandled. if there is any mishandling of the coil assembly, the protective cover, that is metal grill, save the diaphragm. Next topic is working principle of dynamic microphone. First of all, the sound strikes the diaphragm and the coil moves in and out of the magnetic field. That is, the input is our voice. This will strikes directly to the diaphragm and the coil moves to and fro from the magnetic field. Thus there will be changes in flux occurs. This changes in flux results in electromagnetic field produced by the coil. Then the value of electromagnetic field depends upon the rate of change of flux and hence the motion or movement of the coil. Thus, we have to know that rate of change of flux always depend on electromagnetic flux. Thus, the displacement of the coil always depend on the sound pressure. If the sound is high, the sound pressure also, the displacement of the coil will be more. If the sound pressure is less or the sound is low, the displacement of the coil will be low. Thus, this displacement of coil depends on the sound pressure. Now we can see the directivity of this moving coil microphone. The directivity of this moving coil microphone is always omnidirectional in nature. That is, it will be around 25 centimeter among the microphone area. Then the value of EMF depends on the rate of change of flux and the flux density will be represented as the letter B and the unit is Tesla or Weber per meter square. L is the length of the coil in meters and V is the velocity of the diaphragm and the V is given by dV by dV and it is equal to B into L into V. So, next topic is the diagram. In this diagram, we can clearly know whatever the connection of the permanent magnet towards the diaphragm and the diaphragm is connected towards the spring. You have to notice here clearly that in the North Pole, those springs are connected and the diaphragm is connected over it. Whenever the spring head moves, the diaphragm also moves towards the direction of the spring. Now we can see some of the general characteristics of this dynamic microphone. The sensitivity of this moving coil microphone is always 30 microvolt in nature. Then the signal to noise ratio is always 30 dB, which is very, very low. The frequency response is 60 Hz to 8 kHz. Here, in this moving coil microphone, the distortion is always very, very less while comparing to other types of microphone, that is only less than 5%. Thus, the directivity is omnidirectional as we have already discussed in the topics. So, we can see some of the features of moving coil microphone. It is very, very robust and it is very, very reliable in nature. And also, it is heavy in weight due to magnet. As we have already seen that we are using permanent magnet in this moving coil microphone. This permanent magnet is of very, very heavy in weight. Thus, while we are using permanent magnet, it automatically produces the uniform magnetic field due to the inductive effect. There is no need of any other external bias. So, it is one of the major advantage of the usage of moving coil microphone. Then we can see some of the applications of this moving coil microphone. This is used for public address system. It is also used in broadcast studio. That's all for today's topic. Now we can come for the conclusion part. Today we have seen some of the elements, basics, characteristics, working principle, and some of the applications of this moving coil microphone. Thus we can conclude that this moving coil microphone has the greater advantage while comparing to other microphone. If you have any doubts, do comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.